out on Bear Creek Reservoir. It's in just past Winder, Georgia, going towards Athens. It's kind of limited access, boats with up to electric only motors. Some of this reservoir is quite deep. I want to say it's over like 60 to 80 feet in some areas, maybe even deeper. And then lots of other areas obviously very shallow. Feisty largemouth. Nice. First fish of the day. All right, little largemouth. Kind of fat for a little guy. Pretty. And this is what's hanging out at this brush pile. Bluegill on the drop shot. Not a eater size or anything. They're spiky, but pretty. All right, let's get back down there. See if there's something else on this pile. Well, more nibbles, no bites. So 2 crankbaits in. Gonna start covering a little bit more water. I'd like to see if there are just any bigger brush piles holding big groups of fish that I can put the drop shot on. Don't really care what depth. This is a beautiful reservoir, just bites are a little bit hard to come by. Right on a big drop off here. I mean, big for this particular area where it drops from 6 or 7 feet near the bank to 30 feet over a very short span. Lots of fish hanging out over here. Nice. Something finally ate the beetle spin. Decent bass. Chunky. Not particularly long, but chunky. All right, just throw in this little 1/8 ounce beetle spin. Got this guy. Look at the belly on that. Good one. Beautiful area. Highly recommend coming out here to fish if you have not, or if you do, come on back. And if you like this area, let me know in the comments. And let me know what you fish for when you're here. You going for largemouth? Are there spotted bass here? You go for crappie, bluegill, catfish, something else? Let me know. Oh, did he get off? Slam this thing. He's a jumper. There's a lot of you. Another fat one. These guys are short and fat. Let's just let this one sit there, and I thought I saw it move. while I was getting this other bass off. But it was just sitting on the bottom. I think this thing just went right by and gulped it. There's the fish on. I just went to reel it in to see if it had caught any weeds or something. Another bass. Acrobatic bass. Hang out there. This is a better one. Much better one. Good one. Long guy. A little skinny though. That's a good one. Another one on the beetle spin. Good one. Caught on the line. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh, good one. The tank.